Alright guys, welcome back. Another hair review. Thank you to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring this video. We're gonna go in and see what type of wig we receive. This is a box. We got a robe, a bonnet, we got some tape for glueless install, wig cap, lashes, edge brush, edge band, some ear pin, oh, some beauty puffs. Ooh. And then we got some combs if needed. Now let's see the wig. It's 24 inches. It's a body wave and I think it's 10 by 6. Yes, there's curls. There's already curls, so you know exactly that this is a glueless install. The lace transparent HD. I love this. I'm excited to do this. I think we're gonna keep it in the middle part. The hair feels amazing. There's curls. We're still gonna finesse how we want it, but this is for persons who can curl their hair or just don't know how to install a wig. You can definitely purchase this wig as is and wear it to your liking. So this is it, the band. There's a band already, and I love wigs with a comb in the back. Even though they're removable, absolutely love that because it helps to support the back of my wigs, especially the one at the back. I like to use that. But look at this lace, how wide it is. So no more frontals, you know, we can do glueless install that looks like frontal. So I'm happy with this. We're gonna get to install. Quality of the hair is amazing. The lace is incredible. Let's go. I already did my makeup, so anyway, I kind of styled the wig a little bit before install. So all I'm gonna do with my hair is bring it all the way back. I won't add any braids to it. I'm just gonna bring it all the way back and something. So let's get to it.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know.
Alright guys, we went in and styled the wig. My husband there, you're a top.
You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me.
Listen, I'm done. We went ahead and I'm gonna tie it down because I curled the hair already. So we're gonna tie this down for a few minutes and then I'll come back and talk about the final of this wig. Really nice. I love the quality of the hair, but we need to tie this down. Finally, let's see. Nothing is needed. So excited. The wig is super light. Oh, this is what I didn't say. So I had cut down the front just to kind of bring it around. We're gonna add a little bit more curls because I want this wig to be something that we freelance with. It's not too strict, you know, where it's uniform where we have to put curls in it or anything like that. But I did went ahead and cut the front a little bit, so I want it like this, you know. It's natural, work ready, going out ready, simple, cute, girly, that type of look. But I absolutely love it. And I can also do this. I can do so much with this. I love it. The quality of the hair is amazing. let's talk about that. It was no pressure or a lot of work to curl it, so I like it. And you guys don't have to worry about the complete 13 by 4 or 13 by 6, whichever one it is, frontal, because this is like a closure, so you don't have to glue it or anything like that. I went ahead and sprayed though with the lace bond just because I want it to last for a couple of days. Yeah, but I like it. I love that I add some layers in it. Also, the wig comes where you don't have to curl it. It's just a preference for me, wanted to add a little bit more bigger curls. So for persons who are not into wigs or you don't know how to style your hair, this is the perfect wig to do so. It's very natural, and yeah, we're gonna add some curl to it. Now I see that I need to add a little bit more cut down at the front.
You ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
This is it. Absolutely love the hair. Everything will be in the description down below, so make sure you guys check it out. Thank you to Ashimary here for sponsoring this video again, sending this beautiful wig. Absolutely love it. Like the quality of the hair, it's giving. I like it, and I like that I cut the front just to layer it so it looks a little bit different. It have a more formal look. You can rock it. It actually look natural, so I like that. No baby hair. Yeah, it's perfect. So for all the girlies who want a wig like this, it's summertime as well, so we need something not with too much baby hair, where you can just freelance it. If you want to put it in a ponytail, you can do so. You just want to walk around with, you see that? If you go into the gym, you can do like this. Actually, I like it something like this. You understand me? You can freelance and do whatever you want with this wig, just because it's perfect. And just because I added the layers as well, so it's very flowy. So thank you to Ashimary here. Everything will be in the description down below. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get a final look of the wig.